Hey, what's up Tube? Wellington here and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield today we have the Sony SRS XB30 versus the SRS XB31. There is definitely differences physically between the two, but we will be listening to them and see if there is any improvements in the sound department. And remember, the prices I just shown you might not be right by the time you're watching this video. So for an up-to-date pricing of these speakers, please follow my affiliate links down below, for which will also support the channel, and I appreciate that a lot, so thank you. As usual, I'll be using a high quality binaural microphone, so for the best experience, please use headphones. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Hold on girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you.
Let's run away, very far away. Let's stop the time and enjoy this life. Can we go somewhere new, some special place I've never been? I'd like to do something crazy. We should try to run away. It's been so long since I've been myself. I tend to forget so fast how to live excitingly.
Walk in the club like bosses, always on the scene, stay flousing. Show me what you got, cause I know what you want. Make it jar jump on my ass to the flow. Body frame built like a centerfold, just enough ass to hold. Every in the club wanna take me home. Ha. It's the weekend, so you know we it up.
Okay, so it sounds like Sony only concentrated on the physical design upgrade and actually waterproofing the speaker and not so much on the sound, which is not bad because the XB30 didn't sound bad. The XB31 is a little bit louder than the XB30, and while both speakers cut bass at maximum volume, the XB31 leaves you with a little bit more in its sound than the XB30, but this is not something very noticeable. On the other hand, the highs of the XB30 are a little bit better than those of the XB31, but also this is not by a lot. Honestly, as far as sound between these two, the biggest difference is the fact that the XB31 has the live sound mode, which the XB30 does not. So if you own the XB30, there is really no reason to upgrade to the XB31 unless you like the live sound mode on the XB31 and want a piece of it, or you love the new design, the new charging port most especially, which I love that they finally joined the rest of the world right when the world was moving towards USB-C. But I'll still take it. And lastly, if you want to have a completely waterproof speaker. But if sound is your main reason to upgrade to the newest speaker, there isn't really much of that here. So I would stick with the XB30 or the XB3 for that matter, because honestly, it kind of sounds like these two speakers here. But if you don't own the XB30 or the XB3, you should probably go with the XB31 just because it's newer, it's waterproof, and it has more features on the XB30 and the XB3. What do you guys think? Drop me a comment down below. If you're new here, please subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. If you liked the video, leave it a like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. I just want to get some sort of feedback from you because you watched the video. Thanks for watching this one. I will see you in the next one. Peace.